about all-day breakfast at McDonald's or Sports Authority? Which is it?
I want to talk about Ford, too. I want to talk about the mortgage in the future, getting 10-year loans on cars.
Yeah.
Where's that going to go? McDonald's is value menu is driving sales. People are not surviving as well. They're not making as much money, so they're going to McDonald's to buy cheaper food. Where else can you feed a family of 4 for $10? And Sports Authority, way too big, too much competition. Dick's and Amazon is wiping them out because they've lost their edge a long time ago.
Well, actually, I tried hard to feed a family with my 6 kids for $10, and I could just about make it.
Well, with each get a 50-cent coffee.
That's right. That's it. Black coffee for all of them. That's it. So, no, that's a joke. Gunmaker Sturm Ruger. Higher profits. They're looking good again. We call President Obama the best gun salesman in the world, and I think Hillary is vying for second place, Mike. I think that's the case.
Absolutely. And people want to go out. They want to own their guns. So, again, talk about earnings recessions, but you look at the gun makers, they're putting up great numbers. So if you're looking for companies that are growing, look in this sector, the Smith & Wessons, the Sturm Rugers. You have real growth there. It
pulled back a little, but now it's on the upside again. I see that. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is at the low of the day, by the way. We're now down 130-odd points. That's where we are. 17.7 is the level. Take a look at Tesla. Elon Musk says many of those pre-orders for the Model 3 have been cancelled. Explain.
Well, look, the rule is you can only order 2, but there was a report last week that one individual had ordered 20 of these things, and Elon Musk tweeting out saying, look, duplicates will be cancelled, but he says less than 5% of all the total orders involved multiple pre-orders. You know, you put $1,000 down, and then you get this car that's supposed to come out, the Model 3 next at the end of next year. Mike Murphy, though, was telling me before that he has a theory that people were putting the money down because they know they'll get their $1,000, which was the deposit, back in 2 years, and it's a hedge against negative interest rates.
There were people talking about actually going out, giving their money to Elon Musk to hold at zero if, in fact, 4 to 6 weeks ago when this was first announced, a lot of talk that rates were going to go zero here. But he's a phenomenal marketer. He's put together a great product. Some orders being canceled doesn't change. The Model 3 is a huge hit for Tesla.
He does live and enjoy government tax credits, does he?
Yes, he does.
He absolutely does. And he's done a great job with it.
Okay. A jury in St. Louis orders J&J, Johnson & Johnson, to pay $55 million to a woman who claimed the company's talcum powder caused her to develop ovarian cancer. What's that?
So this is a second straight jury trial loss for Johnson & Johnson as it faces over 1,200 lawsuits. When you see jury trials giving now $55 million to a woman who said she developed ovarian cancer from the powder, this fast on the heels of a verdict earlier this year, $72 million awarded. So the question is, J&J sticking fast, saying there is no proven link here, shower to shower, baby powder, you know, whether it causes ovarian cancers and the like. The 1,200 lawsuits, the tort bar is now piling on.
I'll bet.
1,200 lawsuits, and, you know, to Liz's point, J&J says 30 years of research still cannot claim that they can find a link between the talcum powder and the cancer.
Yeah,
1,200 lawsuits.
Right, yes. But the juries are not buying it so far. Two juries right now.
Okay. President Obama says